A ship got caught in a big storm at sea and sank. Out of everyone on board, only 2 men survived and swam to a small, empty island. They didn't know what else to do, so they decided to pray to God for help. To test whose prayer would be answered, they split the island into 2 parts and stayed on opposite sides. First, they both prayed for food. The next morning, one man found a tree full of fruit on his side and had plenty to eat. The other man's side was still completely empty. After a week, the first man felt lonely, so he prayed for a wife. The very next day, another ship crashed nearby, and a woman, the only survivor, ended up on his side of the island. On the other side, nothing changed. Seeing this, the first man kept praying. He asked for a house, clothes, and more food. By the next day, everything he wanted was there like magic, but the second man still had nothing. Finally, the first man prayed for a ship so he and his wife could leave the island. The next morning, a ship appeared on his side. He got on it with his wife and decided to leave the other man behind. He thought the second man didn't deserve any blessings since none of his prayers had been answered. Just as the ship was about to leave, a loud voice from the sky said, "Why are you leaving him behind?" The man replied, "These blessings are mine. I prayed for them, and I got them. His prayers weren't answered, so he doesn't deserve anything." The voice said, "You're wrong. He made only one prayer, and I answered it. Without that, you wouldn't have received anything." Confused, the man asked, "What did he pray for?" The voice replied, "He prayed that all your prayers would be answered." Sometimes, the good things we get in life aren't just because of our own prayers, but because someone else is quietly praying for us too.
If you like the story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like this one.